Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a magical letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter M. M is the 13th letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many magical words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet M. A macaw is a large, colorful parrot known for its bright feathers and loud calls. These birds live in rainforests and are famous for their beautiful plumage, which can be red, blue, yellow, and green. Macaws have strong beaks that help them crack nuts and seeds. They start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a macaw, remember the letter M and how this vibrant bird adds color and life to the forest. Macaws are intelligent and can even learn to mimic human speech, making them fascinating and lively pets. A monkey is a playful animal that lives in trees and jungles. Monkeys have long arms and legs, and they like to swing from branch to branch. They have tails that help them balance, and they eat fruits, nuts, and sometimes insects. Monkeys are known for being very smart and curious. They start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a monkey, remember the letter M and how these fun and lively animals enjoy climbing and exploring their forest homes. Monkeys are full of energy and are great at playing and having fun. A meerkat is a small, playful animal that lives in groups called mobs. They have brown fur and stand up on their hind legs to look around. Meerkats have sharp eyes and long tails, and they often dig burrows to live in. They are very social and like to play with each other. Meerkats start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a meerkat, remember the letter M and how these curious animals use their sharp senses to stay safe and have fun. Meerkats are fascinating to watch as they explore and interact with their friends. A moth is a small insect with colorful wings. Moths are similar to butterflies but are usually active at night. They come in many different colors and patterns and are attracted to light. Moths have two antennae on their heads that help them sense things around them. They start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a moth, remember the letter M and how these gentle insects flutter around, especially in the dark. Moths are important for nature because they help flowers grow by spreading pollen as they fly. A mouse is a small, furry animal with big ears and a long, thin tail. Mice are often found in fields, homes, and gardens. They like to nibble on cheese and grains and are very quick and nimble. Mice start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a mouse, remember the letter M and how this tiny creature scurries around looking for food and making little squeaks. Mice are also known for being very clever and can find their way through small spaces. They're cute and active little animals. A mule is an animal that is a mix between a horse and a donkey. Mules are strong and have big ears like a donkey but are larger like a horse. They are often used to help carry heavy loads or work on farms because they are very sturdy and hardworking. Mules start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a mule, remember the letter M and how this useful animal helps people with tasks on the farm. Mules are gentle and reliable, making them great helpers in many places. A microwave is a special kitchen appliance used to heat up food quickly. It has a door with a window and buttons to set the time and temperature. When you put food inside and close the door, the microwave uses waves of energy to warm up your meal. It starts with the letter M, which sounds like Mo. When you think of a microwave, remember the letter M and how this handy machine helps make snacks and meals ready in just a few minutes. Microwaves are very useful for busy families and quick meals. A mirror is a shiny object that helps you see your reflection. It has a smooth surface that bounces light back to you, so when you look into it, you can see how you look. Mirrors come in different shapes and sizes and are often found in bathrooms, bedrooms, and dressing rooms. They start with the letter M, which sounds like Mo. When you think of a mirror, remember the letter M and how it helps you check your hair, clothes, and smile. Mirrors are great for getting ready and seeing your reflection. A mixer is a kitchen tool used to blend or mix ingredients together. It has a bowl where you put your food, and it uses spinning blades or beaters to stir and combine things like cake batter, dough, or whipped cream. Mixers can be small and handheld or big and stand on the counter. They start with the letter M, which sounds like Mo. When you think of a mixer, remember the letter M and how this useful tool helps make cooking and baking easier by mixing everything together quickly. A mop is a tool used for cleaning floors. It has a long handle and a soft, sponge-like head that soaks up water and dirt. You dip the mop in a bucket of soapy water and then use it to wipe the floor, making it clean and shiny. Mops start with the letter M, which sounds like Mo. When you think of a mop, remember the letter M and how it helps you keep floors clean by picking up spills and dust. Mops are important for making sure your home stays tidy and fresh. A mailbox is a box where you put letters and packages to send them to people. It has a slot where you drop in your mail and a door that opens so the mail carrier can collect it. Mailboxes are often found near homes and on street corners. They start with the letter M, which sounds like Mo. When you think of a mailbox, remember the letter M and how it helps people send and receive letters and gifts. It's an important part of keeping in touch with friends and family. A mug is a cup used for drinking hot drinks like tea, coffee, or hot chocolate. It has a handle on the side that helps you hold it easily. Mugs are usually made of ceramic or plastic and come in many colors and designs. They start with the letter M, which sounds like Mo. When you think of a mug, remember the letter M and how it keeps your favorite drinks warm and tasty. Mugs are great for sipping your favorite beverages and can even have fun pictures or messages on them. Meat is a type of food that comes from animals like cows, chickens, and pigs. It is often cooked and eaten in meals. Meat can be different colors and textures, and it helps give us energy and protein. It starts with the letter M, which sounds like Mo. When you think of meat, remember the letter M and how it can be part of many tasty dishes, like burgers, steaks, or chicken nuggets. Meat is an important part of many people's diets and helps us stay strong and healthy. A mango is a sweet and juicy fruit that grows on trees. It has a smooth, golden or green skin and a big pit inside. When you cut open a mango, you'll find bright orange flesh that tastes yummy and is very sweet. Mangoes start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a mango, remember the letter M and how this delicious fruit is perfect for snacks or in fruit salads. Mangoes are not only tasty but also full of vitamins that help keep you healthy and strong. A melon is a big, juicy fruit that comes in different types like cantaloupe and honeydew. It has a thick, sometimes green or orange skin and a sweet, refreshing taste inside. When you cut open a melon, you'll see lots of juicy, colorful flesh and seeds. Melons start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a melon, remember the letter M and how this fruity treat is great for summer snacks or desserts. Melons are cool, sweet, and full of water, which helps keep you hydrated and happy. A mushroom is a special kind of food that grows from the ground, often in the dark or damp places. It has a soft, spongy top and a stem underneath. Mushrooms come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can be used in many dishes, like pizzas or soups. They start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a mushroom, remember the letter M and how this fun food adds flavor to meals. Mushrooms are unique and interesting, and they help make many dishes taste even better. Milk is a yummy, white liquid that comes from cows, goats, or other animals. It is very nutritious and helps build strong bones and teeth. You can drink milk by itself, or use it in recipes for things like pancakes, cakes, and smoothies. Milk starts with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of milk, remember the letter M and how it's a healthy drink that's often enjoyed with breakfast or as a snack. Milk can be served cold, and it's a great way to stay strong and healthy. Muffins are tasty, sweet treats that look like small cakes. They are often eaten for breakfast or as a snack. Muffins come in many flavors, like blueberry, chocolate chip, or banana. They are baked in special muffin pans, which give them their round shape. Muffins start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of muffins, remember the letter M and how these little cakes are soft, delicious, and perfect for sharing with friends or enjoying on your own. Muffins are great for a quick and yummy treat. A maxi dress is a long dress that reaches all the way to the floor. It covers your arms and legs and often has a pretty design or pattern. Maxi dresses are very comfortable and are often worn for special occasion or on warm days. They start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a maxi dress, remember the letter M and how this long, lovely dress is great for looking stylish and feeling cozy. Maxi dresses come in many colors and can be worn for both casual and fancy events. A mini skirt is a short skirt that stops above the knees. It's often worn in warm weather or for special occasion. Mini skirts come in various colors and styles, and they can be made from different materials like cotton or denim. They start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a mini skirt, remember the letter M and how this fun, fashionable piece of clothing is great for staying cool and looking stylish. Mini skirts are popular for their playful and trendy look and can be paired with many types of tops and shoes. Mittens are warm gloves that cover your hands and keep them cozy in cold weather. Unlike regular gloves, mittens have one big pocket for your fingers and a separate pocket for your thumb. They are often made of soft materials like wool or fleece. Mittens start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of mittens, remember the letter M and how they help keep your hands warm and snug during winter. They come in many fun colors and patterns, making them a cute and useful accessory for chilly days. A motorcycle is a fast vehicle with two wheels that you ride. It has a seat, handlebars, and a motor that helps it move. Motorcycles are often used for fun rides or to travel quickly. They start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a motorcycle, remember the letter M and how it zooms down the road. Motorcycles are exciting and can be seen in many different colors and styles. They are a great way to travel and have fun, but always remember to wear a helmet and ride safely. Money is what people use to buy things they need or want. It comes in different forms like coins and paper bills. Each piece of money has a value, which helps us pay for toys, food, and other items. Money starts with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of money, remember the letter M and how it helps us get the things we need. Money is very important in everyday life, and it's used by everyone to trade for different goods and services. It's a key part of how we shop and save. A mail truck is a special vehicle that delivers letters and packages to people's homes. It has a big, open space for carrying all the mail and usually has a special logo or design. Mail trucks start with the letter M, which sounds like moo. When you think of a mail truck, remember the letter M and how it drives through neighborhoods to bring mail to everyone. Mail trucks help keep us connected by delivering important messages and packages. They are an essential part of making sure letters and parcels reach their destinations on time.